This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Pinoy-style scrambled eggs using an easy method. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need a few fresh eggs, some garlic, and a ripe tomato. Also, have a little cooking oil on hand, and don't forget your salt and pepper for seasoning. This simple dish is a staple in Filipino homes and perfect for any meal, especially breakfast. It comes together quickly with minimal fuss. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté them gently until they become fragrant and turn a light golden brown. Next, toss in your 1 diced tomato. Cook the tomato for a few minutes, stirring occasionally, until it softens and releases its juices. This creates a wonderful aromatic foundation for our eggs. It's time for the eggs. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 large eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper until they are just combined. Avoid over-whisking. Pour the whisked eggs directly into the pan with your sautéed garlic and tomatoes. Using a spatula, gently stir the mixture continuously. Keep stirring until the eggs are just set, light and fluffy, but still moist. Don't overcook them, as they can become dry quickly. And there you have it. Your easy Pinoy-style scrambled eggs are ready. Serve them immediately while they're still warm, ideally alongside a generous portion of fluffy steamed white rice. For an extra touch of freshness and color, you can garnish your dish with some freshly chopped green onions. This simple yet satisfying meal is incredibly versatile and comforting. Be sure to check the description below for a link to this insightful book, along with other great deals that might interest you. Enjoy your delicious homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.